Happy New Year 2025! Here's another quick and easy way to make creamy butter chicken with just grilled chicken in your fridge. I added in some seasoning like ginger garlic paste. I added in yogurt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala powder, cumin powder, and a little bit of food coloring. And then I added some oil and butter in the pan, let that chicken simmer for a little bit. Then I made some paste with the onion and one tomato and cashew. Guys, this came out so nice and creamy. It was delicious. Add an extra butter for that extra creaminess. Of course, kasturi methi gives that nice flavor, and don't forget that cream. That makes it really creamy, and it was perfect with some pasta, guys. Perfect New Year's meal ahead.